This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Lakeview and just steps to the clubhouse and heated pool. 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den and 2-car garage paired villa is ready for you. Open floor plan kitchen west/granite counters overlooks the dining area and family room. The den is a great addition for that home office or TV nook. The large master suite, family room, and Lanai have a lake view, and this paired villa is immediately adjacent to the heated pool and clubhouse, approximately 100 feet to the pool entrance. This wonderful gated community is just 2 miles to the beach and even closer to shopping and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.